Everybody loves a free mint, and I've got 3 projects right now that you can mint for free on that are incredible. So guys, do me a huge favor and pay attention to this video, but note this disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, just for education purposes only. Let's see what I've got. The first one I'm going to talk about is the Paraverse, okay? This is an incredible project where there is no limitations, okay? I'm going to scroll down and just show you a little bit about this, but I want you to do your own research into it, the link down below. Now, their vision is an augmented world that merges the virtual and real worlds together, leveraging augmented reality, blockchain, and geolocation technology. The core mission is to revolutionize the way people engage with the world. Now, you can experience the limitless possibilities, all right, of the metaverse with this project powered by augmented reality, that's AR, and their upcoming Paraverse. Now, what I want to point to is the Genesis event will take place on April 2023 across 4 Genesis cities, Seoul, Tokyo, Paris, and New York. And as an early supporter, you will have the opportunity to mint free one of the 800 AR lands allocated to the community. So guys, getting involved with this, all right, the limitless opportunities is fantastic, and I'm super excited to see where this can go. And the worst case scenario is this doesn't blow up like everyone thinks it will, but you got it for free. So guys, get involved right now. Let's move on to number 2. Number 2 is Vinland. Now, Vinland is a private members only syndicate of like-minded traders and investors exploring the Web3 with confidence. They have a very pumped up Discord, okay? There's an exclusive whitelist opportunity, and it has access to the top NFT projects, hosting some of the best whitelist raffles within the NFT community. Alongside these whitelist opportunities, they provide custom whitelist trackers. Now, if you're looking for networking, education, private videos, this is where you want to be. Partnerships and Vinland, okay, they've actually partnered with the best NFT crypto providers in the space to deliver discounts and direct access to multiple tools to set you up for success, gaining access to the analytics and the NFT botting tools and crypto and stock trading algorithms. So what I want you to do is get involved with their Discord and their socials right now and find out about their free mint that is happening very soon. Number 3 is Katsuaki. Okay, there's a free mint going on. You can follow them at KATSUAKINFT on Twitter. It's got 17.4 thousand followers. A very cool project. Okay, you can see by the artwork here that they are not letting off. I do think that this free mint is going to blow up just purely for how many people love the anime kind of projects. So give them a massive follow, do your own research. You can go into their Discord and find out what's going on in there as well. Wait on their Twitter because they do start posting announcements and things coming up, and there's a lot of fan art coming out. So guys, these are the free mints that I think you should be getting involved with. Make sure you check all 3 of them out. There you go, guys. Get yourself some free mints. Hit the links down below to get involved, but please do me a massive favor. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you on the next video.